You sit down to study, open your book. 10 minutes later, you're on your phone. You tell yourself, today I'll study 12 hours. But by evening, you're tired, distracted, and feeling guilty. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. It's not that you're lazy, you're just using the wrong system. And today, I'll show you how to study 12 hours a day without burnout, without losing your mind. And honestly, it's way easier than you think. Section 1. The big lie about studying long hours. Let's clear this first. Studying 12 hours doesn't mean sitting non-stop for 12 hours. That's the biggest mistake students make. Your brain is not designed for endless focus. It works in cycles. Science says your brain focuses best in deep work sessions of 60 to 90 minutes. After that, focus drops, mistakes increase, energy crashes. So instead of forcing yourself, we use structured study blocks. Section 2. The 12-hour study system, realistic. Here's what 12 hours actually looks like. 8 to 10 focused study sessions. Each session equals 60 to 90 minutes. Breaks in between 10 to 20 minutes. That's it. Not painful, not exhausting, just smart. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't lift weights for 12 hours straight. You train in sets. Study works the same way. Section 3. Morning routine, the most important part. Your first 3 to 4 hours decide your entire day. If you win the morning, you win the day. Here's what to do. Wake up early, no phone for first 30 minutes. Sit down and start your hardest subject first. Why? Because your brain is fresh, no distractions, maximum willpower. Quick tip, don't prepare too much, just start, even if you don't feel ready. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Section 4. Afternoon strategy, beating laziness. Afternoons are dangerous. This is where most students quit. You feel sleepy, bored, unmotivated. So here's the trick. Switch subjects. Don't force the same topic all day. Your brain gets tired of repetition. Instead, morning, hard subjects. Afternoon, medium difficulty. Evening, easy revision. Also, use active study methods. Teach out loud, solve questions, write notes. Passive reading is fake studying. Section 5. Breaks that actually work. Breaks are not your enemy. Bad breaks are. Scrolling social media? That destroys your focus. Instead, take clean breaks. Walk around, drink water, stretch, close your eyes. Keep it simple. Your brain needs rest, not more stimulation. Section 6. How to avoid burnout. Let's talk about the real problem. Burnout doesn't come from studying too much. It comes from stress, guilt, no structure, unrealistic expectations. So here's how you avoid it. Don't aim for perfection. Focus on consistency. Track progress, not time. And remember this, you don't need to be perfect every day. Even 70% effort done daily beats 100% effort done once. Section 7. Mindset shift. This changes everything. Stop saying, I have to study 12 hours. Say, I get to improve today. Small difference, massive impact. Because pressure kills focus, but purpose, that fuels it. And listen, you're not behind. You're just starting seriously now. That's what matters. Section 8. Realistic daily structure. Here's a simple example. Morning, 3 to 4 hours deep focus. Afternoon, 3 to 4 hours practice and lighter work. Evening, 2 to 3 hours revision. Night, 1 to 2 hours light study or review. Boom, 12 hours without torture. I know what it feels like, sitting with books, but your mind is somewhere else, feeling like you're trying, but not enough. You're not alone. Every serious student goes through this phase, but the ones who win, they don't rely on motivation, they build systems. So here's your mission. Don't try to study 12 hours tomorrow. Start with 4, then 6, then build up. Slow progress is still progress. And trust me, once you follow this system, 12 hours won't feel impossible anymore. It'll feel normal. If this helped you even a little bit, hit like, subscribe for more real student strategies, and share this with a friend who's struggling right now. Let's grow together.